Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with a hair tutorial on how to achieve these fun beachy boho waves. And if you want to see how I achieved this hair look, then keep on watching. So the first thing we're going to go ahead and do is take our hair and divide it down the middle and section it into two parts, left and right. And I just like to clip the part that I'm not working with so that way it doesn't get tangled and confused into the other section we are working with. From there, I like to go ahead and section that part again into three parts, a bottom, middle, and top layer. And the top and middle layer I like to pin up out of the way so we're only focusing at one section at a time. I have been using the DryBar Wand Party curling wand to achieve this look, but any sort of curling iron or curling wand will work. From there, I like to take bigger sections to work with and wrap it around the barrel, leaving it on for about 5 to 7 seconds. I don't want to leave it on for too long because I don't want to damage my hair, and I also really don't want tight waves. I want more of a loose, beachy look. Also from there, I'm going to take the next section, and you might notice that I curled originally facing away from my face, but now I'm going to use the curling wand and wrap it towards my face. This way, this is going to create more G-constructed waves. It's not going to bunch up together like the Shirley Temple kind of curl, and also it just makes it look a little bit more imperfect. There isn't a specific method that I use for this because we want the waves to look super beachy and imperfect. So my technique has been I usually go every other curl from the back of my head to the front. So one curl will be facing away from my face while one curl will be facing towards my face. Once I get to the front section with the face pieces facing towards my face, I like to face those curls away from my face just to frame it a little bit better. I also don't brush out the curls until the very end, which you'll see what products I use to kind of achieve the more messy and imperfected look. From there though, I am going to go ahead and break up that top section into smaller sections and just repeat the process from there. Again, there isn't a specific method that I use, but kind of going in opposite directions for each section, if that made sense. So more or less, you just want to keep in mind that you're going to go one curl away, one curl towards. And just repeat that whole process on the left side of your head. Now that we're done with the left side of our head, we're more or less going to go ahead and just copy and paste the whole thing to the right side of the head. Also adding in, if you missed any pieces, just to make sure that they all blend in seamlessly together. Taking a hair oil, I've been using the DryBar 100 proof treatment oil. I take the oil between my hands and just break down those waves a little bit more. Since this is a beachy look, we don't want the waves to be uniform, but rather we want them to be messy and imperfect. So I take the oil at the very end of curling all my hair so then that way the curls have some time to cool and it will help smooth them out as well. I don't like to bring this product up to my roots, but I do like to make sure that it does get a little bit of treatment up there to help stop some frizz. You can use a sea salt of any kind, but I've been using the Mai Tai Spritzer from DryBar, and I just like to lift the hair in sections and spritz some in there. This way it gives it a little bit of texture, and then that way it also breaks down those curls a little bit further. For some added grit, I do like to go in with a finishing spray, and I've been using the DryBar Triple Sec Spray, and I'm very sparingly use this product too. From there, because sometimes my hair lies a little bit flat on my root, I like to go in with a volume powder, and I have been using the Amika Vandal one. It's something that I just recently got, and I'm still terrified to use this product because I don't want big hair, truthfully. I'm just scared of it. So I go in there and just spruce it all up, and there you have it. That's how I pretty much recreate some messy, beachy boho waves. I can't talk. I haven't talked to anybody in a couple of days because quarantine has got your girl going crazy. She also hasn't done a hair tutorial in a minute. Thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. If you like my videos and if you like my content, and if you like me, feel free to subscribe by hitting the button down below and getting notified when I post new videos. I will be sure to do a full step-by-step tutorial over at the website, and you guys can check that out at sarahlock.com. 2 H's, 2 K's. And I'll also be sure to link all my social media profiles down below too, so you can follow me wherever I might be. So with that said, I'm gonna go ahead and bounce and finish Dead to Me. So thank you guys so much for watching. Love you always. Stay safe, and until next time, we'll see you guys later. Bye.